How to stage your home for a quick sale. You don't have to invest a ton of money to make your home more appealing to potential buyers. A few tips and tricks might just do the trick. You will need flowers, storage space, pillows, and time to tidy up. Optional, good coffee and frozen cookie dough. Step 1. For home buyers, the first impression starts before they even get out of the car, so make your front yard and walkway as appealing as possible. Plant some flowers. Rake any leaves, remove weeds, paint the fence and porch. Make sure everything is in tip-top condition. Step 2. Put away knickknacks and any odds and ends that wouldn't be in a model home. If you're in a hurry, just stick them in your car, inside desk drawers, or in other places the buyers won't look. Step 3. Open up your blinds and curtains. Light makes a room look bigger. Appealing aromas like coffee beans and freshly baked cookies make people feel at home and put them in a good mood. So put on a pot of coffee and pop a roll of cookie dough in the oven. Step 4. Put extra furniture in storage and clear the kitchen counter of appliances like the microwave oven and toaster. Besides making your house look bigger, it will help prospective buyers picture their own belongings in your home. Step 5. Steal a page from the home decor magazines. Add throw pillows to make rooms look warm, comfortable, and inviting, and put soft, fluffy comforters on the beds, even if it's summer. Step 6. Remove family photos and your kids' artwork from the fridge. Home buyers like to imagine what it would be like to live in the house. Your photographs subconsciously prevent them from doing that. Step 7. Put fresh flowers throughout the home. The sight and scent of flowers are proven mood boosters, which will help buyers look more favorably upon your home. Did you know? Industry surveys show that staging your home can make it sell 3 months sooner and for 3% more.